Hi, Michelle here. I thought I'd hop on for just a few minutes because I got something exciting that normally doesn't happen here. I have plant mail. And not only do I have plant mail, I have a wish list plant mail. So I'm pretty excited today. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up. I didn't cover up the address. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the box and we'll see what I have. So let's go ahead and open this box up. I'm pretty excited. I actually haven't had a plant. Well, I've had regular plants, but I haven't had a Hoya since I haven't bought a Hoya since March. So I'm kind of in a drought. So this is pretty exciting. So let's see. Oh, it's got a beautiful box in here, and she included a butterfly clip. That's so awesome. I can always use those. And there's a card. She goes by Plant Girl Magic. So if you ever see her on Etsy, that's who she is. And she also included a nice strawberry fork. So that's always nice too. Lots of goodies. So here's how she packaged it. She packaged it really nice. It's very full in here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up the pretty pink packaging. And she has fluff all inside there. Very nice. So I'm going to take out the fluff. And look, she's got the plant inside here in a cardboard tube. And she even gave me a little plant tag. I'm going to have to take some lessons on packaging from her because I'm really impressed. She even has her name on the package. I'm definitely going to have to take some advice from her. Okay, so here we are. It's taped down in place. So let's take a sneaking peek. Okay. And let's cut this off. All right. And what I got was a Microdwarf. This is a Hoya Microdwarf NS12-323. It looks like it made it through shipping really well. You can still see the new leaves on it. That's really awesome. Let me take off the tape holding all. It feels like it's pon. Let me take off the tape tying down the pon so I can go ahead and get a better look at it. It looks like maybe tree fern fiber or strata maybe. I'm going to cut it off because I definitely don't want to damage these leaves. They are definitely smaller and thinner than I even thought they were. So I'm going to be very, very, very careful about not damaging or not touching any of these leaves. This definitely looks like this may be a fluval. And then I'm going to take off the little cotton ball, the little makeup pad. Yes, it is in stratum. Oh my, look at those baby leaves down all the way in the bottom. Can you see them? I bought this as a rooted cutting. I don't see any roots on the side, but that doesn't mean anything because by the time the roots get all the way to the side, the plant is really well rooted to begin with. So it's got those baby leaves right at the base. So it's got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 leaves total. So that's really awesome. Microdwarfs are kind of hard to find. From what I hear, from what Miro from Basie Plants say, this plant grows really fast. I'm really hoping that it does. It looks like it's in a mixture of stratum with some perlite down in the bottom. I will keep it in this for at least a couple of weeks, or at least a week. I will see how the plant does. I will see how it does with this. My ideal would be to move it to pond. I don't like to keep plants in stratum. For me, the roots I produce in fluval stratum tend to be thinner than roots I produce when I grow a plant in pond. But that's just me. That doesn't mean anything towards what your results may be in fluval stratum. But I will keep them in here like this for now, but it is just a gorgeous little plant. I'm so excited to have it. I can't wait to see it grow. The new leaves are still there. The growth tip is still intact. It looks gorgeous, so I can't wait. I'm gonna put it in my Mills bow. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in this detolf right here. This detolf right here averages about 60% humidity, but it's not as bright as the Mills bow. So what I'll do is I'll put it in here for a day or two, get it used to my environment, and then once it recovers from being out of the box for a day or two, then I'll move it into the Mills bow where it's a lot brighter and it has a lot more humidity. So that's what I'm gonna do. So that's my video for today. Thank you for watching me unbox my wish list plant. I've had this on my wish list for quite a while. I'm really excited to see it grow. I can't wait. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. That would be great. If you'd like to see other planting video like this from me, please consider subscribing. I would really like that. And if you have any comments or you'd like to add anything to this, please consider giving a comment down below. It would be great to interact with you. And otherwise, I will see you next time. Bye.